Hello and welcome to the official Tech School YouTube channel.
I know this may sound crazy, but I'm not a real person.
Yep, I was generated using AI in voice, face, movement, base, all created with tools that you too will learn right here.
All right, so let's quickly go into how to create AI videos with realistic images and realistic scenes. So quickly, first and foremost, what we are going to be using is VO3. That's the recently um, uh, AI model that Google just released, which is currently trending and is mind blowing. So that's what we are going to be using. So you just type VO3 on your search box and you hit enter. So now, first thing to take note of is in your own case, my own SAPs, that's your search engine result page, may differ from mine. Now, the reason why I'm having this showing as the first result is because um, each time I search for this is what I click. So they are showing me this first as based on my preference. So but in your own case, you may see several others before you even see this. So but what am I trying to say? Now when you search for VO3, ensure what you are clicking is the one with deepmind.google. That's the Google DeepMind. So when you get there, you just click on it. Okay. So this page, just like you can see on my screen, will be open to you, and you have option of trying it in Gemini or trying it in Flow. So but for the purpose of this video, we are going to be trying it in Flow. So you click on try in Flow. Now you'll be directed to this page over here, just as you can see, create with Flow. So you click on create with Flow to start creating your realistic AI videos. All right, so you can see the page has just popped up, and just as you can see here, first and foremost, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to have access to it. First of all, now VO3 offers different plan, but Google offers free plan for first users. So meaning, as a first time user, you are going to have 1 month free trial. So you are going to have 1 month free trial to try out its tremendous features. So then after then you'll be prompted to pay or subscribe for which plan that is most convenient for you. But by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually have access to it for free, for 1 year free, without having to pay a dime for it. So ensure you stick to this video, ensure you don't cut up at any point, ensure you watch till the end, so you can know how to have access to VO3 for a year. So just as you can see, I have my pro plan. I didn't pay a dime for it. So that's just what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now when you click on this, in your own case, is because I'm already logged in, that's why it's showing me this. In your own case, you'll be prompted to sign in with Google. So now when you sign in Google, the first thing you'll be prompted is they'll show you that okay, you can have access to it for free, and when you click on it, you'll be asked to input your ATM card details into it. So do that. Google is not going to deduct your money, so just stay tuned with me. I'm going to put you through the process of how you can actually retain your premium entitlement for a whole year without having to pay a dime. So when you are finished setting up all those stuff, so you can now come back to your main homepage and you click create new project. Okay, so that's that for that. So there are several tools here which I'm going to be showing you. Just when you check this box here, you are going to see ingredients to video, frames to video, and text to video. Text to video is the tool where you generate your video from a text, and frames to video is a tool where you use in generating from image to video, while ingredient to video is any format of information, whether video, visual, or text, or audio. So you can use it to generate your video. So that's that. So but for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using text to video. So I'm going to click that. Then when you come to this place, you are going to see VO2 fast. Now remember, the model that we want to make use of is not VO2. We are making use of VO3 because VO3 is the model that allows us to create highly realistic video just as a real person that you can't differentiate from a real video and an AI video. So it's VO3 that gives us that ability to do so. So we are going to go to the setting, and just as you can see here, first of all, ensure your output is always set to 1, so 1 per prompt. And the reason why it has to be set to 1, for every plan you are giving 1000 credits. That's for your first time plan. That's the first 1 month you are trying for free. So you can see I've exhausted most of mine because I've created several videos. So now if you set it to 2 outputs per prompt, so meaning you are going to be having 2 outputs for a single prompt. So and per app, for one app output, when it's at VO3, is 20 credits. So imagine you are getting 2 output per prompt. That's 40 credits already going for something that is just to take 2 credits. Do you understand? To take 20 credits. So that's why you must always remember and ensure you set it at 1, so that you can maximize your credits for a very long period of time. So then this, you change it to VO3 fast. Why? Because VO2 fast doesn't support better audio, but VO3 fast supports audio and video creation at the same time. So we are going to be making use of this. So this is where you'll be able to create audio in any language, in any tone, in any asset at all with VO3 fast. So that's what we are going to be using. So then we come back to now actually generating the prompt of the video we want to generate. Now for the prompt, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT. So I'm going to just show you a prompt I created. Now I actually wanted to create a video of a Chinese man in a bus transit where every other passengers are sleeping, and he's reading a book titled The Battlefield of Your Mind. So which I actually told ChatGPT, and I told him this is what I want to create. So now there are 2 phases of you creating your prompt. When you want to create a video, ensure that you start with defining what you want from how you understand it to ChatGPT. So now when you define what you want, then the next phase is now telling him to define it. Now this is what I say. I said let the whole look and description of the place be based on China's actual look. So that's based on what so the boss should be based on China's kind of boss, the kind of boss they use there. So and I told him generate prompt with every specific detail for everything. So every prompt is going to generate everything that the video is going to carry. There should be a specific detail for everything. So that way it will to generate what you want it with accuracy. Do you understand? So if at all I wanted more details and more information, and how I want the people to see it, how I want them to move, how I want somebody behind the boss, different details, I would have added it. But for this video, I just want to keep it simple so that you're able to grab what I am communicating to you. Good. So now ChatGPT went ahead and generated it, so which I'm going to copy now. I'm going to copy that. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to copy it now. Then I'm going to go over to my page here, and I'm going to paste it. So you can see I've pasted it here. So I'm going to generate. Click generate. Now importantly, ensure you take out these dashes, or all these dashes that was included by ChatGPT. So ensure you take them out. So when you've done that, you now proceed to create. Now it's unlike other AI video generator that will take so much time. Some of them can even take up to 5 hours because they are putting you in queue. But Google VO3 takes from 30 seconds to 1 minute to finish creating your video, or from 1 minute to maximum 2 minutes to finish creating your video. So we are just going to wait for it to finish creating, then come back. All right, so just as you can see, it has just finished creating the video just like we prompted it to do. So let's play the video and see what we got here.
下一转，秋走南转。
So that's that. You see, just like we prompted it to do, so that's just what it has done. So this is beautiful, and this is a game changer. So with this, you're able to create videos for your business, whether you want to market your business or you just want to create videos for your social media content, or you want to create videos for clients so that you can get paid. So with this, you are going to do a lot. You'll be able to do a lot with this. So for how you'll be able to use um, VO3 continually for a year without having to pay a dime for it is just basically simple. Now all you need to do is to create a new email every month. Now ensure you create a new email every month. Now if this gets expired, create a new Google Gmail. You don't have to add any of your personal details. You don't have to add anything. You can just use any random name. You don't have to include your phone number in it. Then after doing that, register a new account with that same email you've created, and you always have access to VO3 Flow, so you can create stunning videos. So over to
So
the AI
hit that
guy.
subscribe button and join Tech School, where creativity meets technology. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead, enjoy your new AI creation video. See you inside Tech School.